What's going on, guys? I was waking up in the morning reviewing some trades, so why don't I just include you guys with me? So, yesterday morning, it was a very rangy day, by the way, and you can tell by the orb right here, which is this line and this line. These are the lines depicting the opening range of the market, the first 15 minutes from 9:30 to 9:45. So I have that to give me a directional basis. But aside from that, I stick to my smart money model for entry. So now what I'm looking here, as always, liquidity has to be grabbed first. So I'm looking at where the possible draws on liquidity would be. Right? So let's zoom out a bit. Okay, so in hindsight, okay, because I don't want to do the replay thing. In hindsight, before, you know what? Let's do the replay thing. Let's do the replay. All right. Okay. So just so you see what I'm looking at before the trade comes to fruition. All right. So we have these double highs up here, which price is usually attracted to. Okay, and then we have this liquidity area over here. Okay, so we need either side to break out first, and then it attacks the other side. Okay, so we'll go forward here a bit, and we're on the 1 minute. Because overall, you look at higher time frames to see if you're bullish or bearish bias, but we're day trading, so it doesn't always have to go according to the plan, and we can still trade that once we see the bias on the lower time frames. All right, so it didn't break it yet, so it goes down just to it, making more equal lows on the lower. All right, keep going. Doesn't break the top yet. And then it finally just breaks the bottom by a tick, okay, and starts to retrace. So, when entering like this, and even I enter a little late, but say I was to enter down here, that's what we call the turtle soup. All right, I'm not one to be bothered by the technicals, but that's just what it is. I didn't enter off of a fair value gap or anything. I just saw that finally this area of liquidity was tapped into. We got the bullish reaction right after that, so I enter. All right, and my target is going to be the other side of the opening range, which is also, as you see, these double highs over here, which will more than likely get targeted. Sometimes I even come a little lower than the liquidity for a target. But as you see, it played out. Okay, it goes past the highs, and then what does it do for the rest of the day? Then it just starts ranging again. No real direction. Even if I get out of this, even into today. Okay. Yeah, it came out, but it came all the way back in. Just and these the opening range is it's valid for the whole day, but not like into the next day. I don't really keep it on my chart long term. But that was my breakdown for yesterday's trade. Stay tuned.